Alright, here we come to the elevators at 331 West Main Street in downtown Durham, North Carolina. This elevator car right here, unfortunately, I don't think it works anymore. But we got this one right here. And they finally have removed the wall padding so we can get a much better cab view of this. B's locked. You can only turn it this way, you can't turn it the other way. So here's your original Otis car switch right here. Alright, let's go up to 6. Let's go to 1. We'll go for one more ride. Back down to 1 to end there. Alright, now watch this, you guys. Watch the door close. Pretending like I'm manually operating the elevator. Alright, let's watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.